Creating the management alternative is the most critical step in using SoilCalculator. Multi-year management alternatives are built from over 900 one-year options. These one-year options are the building blocks for constructing multi-year management alternatives. In this example, let's build a corn-bean rotation in crop management zone 4. You can see that there are over 400 options in crop management zone 4. In this example, let's no-till our corn into the past year's soybean residue. Start by selecting your one-year crop management alternative of corn grain. This will reduce your options down to 130 selections. Next, you can further reduce the number of corn grain selections by eliminating any alternatives that have cover crops. Now you can see you are down to 91 options. Next, reduce the number of options by selecting No-Till and No Manure under the Operations heading. By now, you have reduced your options to 5 management alternatives. Select the option that best suits your need and click on the Select Rotation to see the full description. Change your yield in the yield you desire. Now you have selected your management alternative for year 1. But since you want to create a 2-year rotation, you need to go back to the year 1 building block and add a soybean management alternative. Reset all your selections and start again by choosing CMZ4. Narrow your list by clicking on soybeans. To further reduce your list, select the options that meet your tillage criteria. In this example, let's select a system of fall disc ripping and spring field cultivating before planting soybeans. After choosing these, you are left with only one result. Click on Select Rotation and change your soybean yield. Then click on Select Rotation again. If this is the rotation that you will use repeatedly, you can add it to the list of your favorites so you can use it again. You are allowed to save up to 10 favorites. When your rotation is complete, name the rotation, save it to your favorites, and click Assign Custom Rotation. You may want to compare a second alternative to the initial option. In this case, let's compare straight rows against contouring by copying alternative 1 to alternative 2 and then adding contouring. Be sure to choose the correct row grade for this field for contouring. After building your rotation, you may want to add in other supporting practices like terraces and contour grass strips. For terraces, you only have to draw in planned terraces or terraces that have been built since the LiDAR data has been collected. Any terraces that were built before the LiDAR data was collected will be automatically located for you. Any planned or applied grass strips need to be drawn in. Often farmers use the same management system for multiple fields. If you have multiple fields, instead of rebuilding and re-entering a management system, you can simply copy the rotation by selecting the appropriate field and alternative to copy from the drop-down list.